Hello everyone and welcome back to Science with Miss Trevino. We are going to go over lesson 4 today, which is over size. So I know you all saw your videos yesterday and I talked a little bit about it. And I know you all will still be watching more videos the rest of this week. But before we get started, go ahead and look around your classroom or your house and try to find some kind of measurement. So for me, I decided to choose my pencil and some paper clips. So here's my drawing over here. And you all can use whatever you like. You can measure a paper using crayons. You can measure a paper using pennies. You can use a ruler, whatever you all like. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So make sure you write your name and your date. So here it says, I measured, and I am going to draw my pencil. I'm going to draw my pencil. It's not going to be the very best pencil, boys and girls, but I want you all to try your very, very best on your drawing. I am going to try my very best as well. It's not the best. Let me see if I can change it. Let's make it yellow. My yellow pencil. I am so sorry, boys and girls. And let's go ahead. I don't have a brown, but let's go ahead. And there's my pencil. Actually, let's make this red for the eraser. There we go. So there's my pencil. And so as you can see on this side, I measured my pencil and I am going to write the number of units I have here at the bottom. So let's go ahead and let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So my pencil was 7 units. Awesome. So like I said, you can use any kind of items that you have around you. It does not have to be a paper clip or a pencil. It can be anything that you'd like. All right, so go ahead and make sure you draw your picture, make sure you color it, make it look nice. Now let's go ahead and do our quick check, okay? Go ahead and pause the video if you need more time. All right, boys and girls, and we are back. I hope you were able to color and draw and color your picture. So let's go ahead and let's do our quick check. So the first one says, does a thermometer measure size? Think big, get ready. No, a thermometer does not measure size. So go ahead and let's color our smiley face. Our sad face, I'm sorry. Let's color our sad face red. It does not measure size. Now, next one says, does a ruler measure size? Think big, get ready. Yes, a ruler does measure size. So let me get my green color and I'm gonna color in my smiley face. Awesome job, boys and girls. So I hope you all learned a lot today, and I hope you all continue learning more with the videos that I have chose out for you to watch for the rest of the week, boys and girls. Until then, I will see you all later. Bye, boys and girls.